I'm going to stay in Bangkok for 2 nights. So I'm staying at this Aloft hotel, not a love hotel. For 2 nights, I'm going to share with you that the stay experience, the room, the breakfast, the facility, then the review about the room stay and the hotel stay. So let's go to check-in. It is a little bit out of the way, so I think they should have a free shuttle bus. I'm not sure about that. I'll find out for you. Then let's go to check-in first. It's a very cool thing, which is Aloft is kind of like a vision of W Hotel. So the design here is a little bit cheeky and colorful.
While waiting for the rooms ready, I went to the shopping mall with the tuk-tuk. You can just go anytime. Just go to the concierge stand, let them know you want the tuk-tuk to one of the train station or to Westin Hotel, just right beside the shopping mall called Terminal 21. And when you need that to come back, you just go to the Westin Hotel concierge, ask the person to contact the tuk-tuk driver to pick you up. And then, or you can add them on the line, then they can come and pick you up. So I got an upgrade to Urban King rooms. Looks similar like what I booked. So here is the room, and the toilet is here. The view here is a little bit boring, but the building right over there is quite interesting. It looks like some cool apartment or hotel with a very nice swimming pool. It's very quiet, but one thing I don't like once I come in, it has a very strong moldy smell. And I remember I stayed here before, but I have no idea why I did not take video of the stay. It was, I think, quite a long time ago. Then, as a platinum guest, you get to choose 500 point or breakfast. I choose breakfast. Then I also receive a welcome drinks. So here is the first thing with a lamp right over here. A sofa. Bedside has a universal power plug, an alarm with a Bluetooth speaker. Then underneath the bed, okay, yeah, it's nothing. It's not the hollow types of the bed frame. Oh, it's very smooth. It's very nice. King size, and at this side also have a local power plug, 2-pin plug, and underneath also have a 2-pin. It's supposed to be 3-pin plug, but the 3-pin is a different types of 3-pin that what I had. And the bedside. Okay. So lights are all on. Just right in front of the bed, there's a TV. You can see it's not really a smart TV. Yeah, controlled by the channels, and then the mini bar, all filled up mini bar. Looks good. The beer, the Heineken, the drinking water, sparkling water. I think this one should be complimentary if I'm not. Oh, condom. The condom. Where's the condom? Sagami is a good condom. Wow, they are providing the good condoms in the hotel room. 200 baht, which is a reasonable price for a good condom. And the bedside there is a power plug, universal power plug with all the USB port, HDMI port. And a notepad, 2 notepad, then QR code. If you're curious about the offer the food they offer, you can scan now, then you can check out what's their offer. Not too bad. You can just draw the curtain if you think that the working station is too bright for you, like to facing outside, but it's kind of like a cool thing to take a beautiful photo. Let me show you the bathroom. I went to shopping also. Here is the bathroom, the body lotion, toothbrush, cotton bud, and then a hair shower cap, body soap, and the towel cup. Oh, universal power plug over here, and then the power plug for the shaver, then trash bin, hand towel, basin. The bathrobe looks quite short though. Like for those that slightly bigger size, can be like a mini skirt to them. Steam iron, ironing board, bedroom slipper, hair dryer. Okay, let me check the hair dryer. It's very important to know that whether the hair dryer is a good hair dryer or not. Oh wow, it looks, this is a very powerful hair dryer. So no problem for people with long hair, or those I just cut my hair. So I can see that this bottled drinking water should be complimentary. And they also have an instant noodle, instant coffee and tea. Then with the power plug over here, the safe here. quite big. Yeah, can put a laptop. And here is a toilet bowl with a bidet, and a shower is like this with a very cool dry bar shampoo, hair conditioner, and body wash. And then while you sit down, you can see how you push. Yeah. Quite a good idea, so you can appreciate how you push, how your face looks like. So the next thing I will show you will be the gym, swimming pool, and breakfast, and then the stay review. Mentioned that the bed sheet is quite smooth, so let me try the bed for you. It's quite firm, so while bouncing, the pillow is not really moving. Okay, let's test the pillow. This kind of pillow is like you keep your hip very warm. Okay. Both the pillows are the same. Let me try the blanket. Oh, anyway, the bathrobe is not comfortable. It's very short. It had a lot of the dot thing. So this kind of the bathrobe, when you sit on it, your butt will have the thing. It's a comfortable bed, but it's a little bit too hard for me. But as I always mention, when I get older and older, this kind of hard to firm bed is will help me to have a good sleep, won't have a body ache on the next day. I have a good sleep though, the bed is very comfortable. But like around midnight, you still can hear some of the disco music, like boom, boom, boom. But just a very, very low humping sound. Shower is okay, the shampoo, everything is good, but the hot shower you need to wait for like about 1 minute then to get the hot water. Overall, the sleep quality is very good. I like snooze my alarm for like 3 times. So let's go to breakfast now. Here's a breakfast area. You get the drinks, the shot at the entrance. Let me give you a try. Wow, very nice mango. So here you get the toast, then the pastry, and you only can put in the toast. Don't put on put in croissant. The bread pudding. The pastry here looks very good. Even the cookie they put in a very cute way. Croissant looks average. The bread. Then 2 types of juice: pineapple juice, orange juice, and water. Let's see what else we can get right over here. There is yogurt, papaya yogurt, and lime yogurt. The cold cut. The cut fruits looks good. I love the guava and papaya. Oh, jackfruit. Very happy to have jackfruit, longan, strawberry, and this is a dip for the fruit. Very cute. And the milk. And 4 different types of the cereal, the salad. I like they serve everything in a small portion so that you'll make sure everything is clean and fresh. And this is a Chinese donut, fried fritter, local soya milk. That's good. I'm gonna have that. Oh, I think this is a condiment for the soya milk, I think. Then baked bean, mushroom with asparagus. Thailand asparagus is very good. It's very small and thin, but it's very tasty. Then they get the potato, the broccoli, the baked tomato, sausages, crispy bacon, pork sausage, hard-boiled egg. Avocado toast. Oh, this is good though. At least it's not a boring egg station. Then get the pancake and waffle. The condiment for the pancake and waffle. DIY noodle station. I'm gonna have a lot of good breakfast here for sure. So you can just add in anything like the ginger, the fish sauce, all these things. So do it your own tom yum for breakfast. So don't make it too spicy. Yan tata, another noodle. Then can get the fish ball, pork ball, minced meat. Okay, let's see what is this. Japanese green curry is very good that I show you that it's halal, so the Muslim friend can have a very good and safe and dry breakfast. Coconut soup with chicken looks good. Steamed fish with ginger soya. Okay, that's a very average Chinese dish, and this is also vegetarian and halal friendly. The kale. So I'll let you know which one is vegetarian, which one is halal. Stir fried noodle with vegetable. Then this one fried rice with Chinese chicken sauce. Oh, chicken sausage. And then steamed rice, I skip it. Yellow rice. This is an Indian style yellow rice. Indian aloo gobi. I noticed that recently a lot of hotels have a lot of Indian food now. I love it. The paratha, the chickpea bean, congee. Oh, what's the difference? So this is a watery one, and this is slightly thicker one. Condiment for the congee and the miso soup. That's it. Not bad. I'm very happy with the selection. Let's check out the gym together. So I like the maroon color towel. The gym is actually not too bad though. It's 24 hours. Damn it! I did not know that it's 24 hours. I did not have my exercise this last night, but I'm sure I'll come back for more exercise later. And this old school machine is very cool. You get every types of the exercise you want in the one machine. Okay, let's go to there's an app machine. It's very good. Drinking water as well. I will come and refill my water later. Let's go to the swimming pool. I think it's very early, it's like no one in the pool now. The weather is good, and then the pool is kind of small. I remember last time when I came here with Sean that we did not do any video, but we came up to the swimming pool. I remember the water is dirty, but now they improved a lot. It's crystal clear. It used to be like a cloudy pool, and then like Sean and I did not dare to step into the water. That's good to see the improvement here, and I quite like the swimming pool. Going to check out soon, and then I'm quite rushed because I'm late for 30 minutes for checkout. Overall, the stay I would say that it's average. What you pay and what you get. So it's a very budget-friendly hotel, and as a platinum guest, you get a nice room upgrade. I'm quite happy with the space that I had. Breakfast slightly average. It looks quite good, but the soup noodle is service for the Wave restaurant, if I'm not wrong, the one that we had breakfast. That is have to wait really long. I waited more than an hour for a dish, and then I just walk off. And the room had a little bit of moldy smell. You might not be comfortable to have that, but it's totally fine to me because once you come inside the room after 30 minutes, then you get used to it. So I hope this video helpful for you to make your choice to book in and stay in this room. Bye bye.